Ever spent hours studying, only to forget everything the next day? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to hack your brain and remember everything? Here's the secret. Your brain loves active recall, not just reading passively like a zombie. Let's break it down in 3 simple steps. Step 1. The Feynman Technique. Teach it like you're explaining to a 5-year-old. If you can simplify it, you've actually learned it. Step 2. Spaced repetition. Instead of cramming, review the same info after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and boom, it sticks like glue. Step 3. The testing effect. And the biggest memory booster? Testing yourself. Close your notes and try recalling everything. The harder your brain works, the stronger the memory gets. Now here's your challenge. Use these 3 techniques today and comment below if they worked for you. Let's make studying easy.